Is your external component the TBB Debug Module DLL not found? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I'm here to help you re-establish Intel TBB links. To begin the walkthrough for TBB Debug Module, you can choose the manual path or use a resource designed for environment stability. This is the TBB Debug Module, the debug variant of Intel Threading Building Blocks, TBB. It provides developers with highly optimized multi-core processing libraries and additional error checks. If a consumer app reports this missing, it is a sign of an improper production build. Replacing it with the retail TBB DLL and renaming it is a common quick fix for non-developers. Now let's get this fixed up. Our first move is installing a fresh, clean copy of the library. Missing TBB Debug Module DLL data often points to a failed patch within the Intel TBB integration, and reinstalling the latest version of the program where you saw the error will automatically replace the corrupted library. If the error persists despite the new library files, we must verify if a simple synchronization conflict is preventing the file from loading. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including TBB Debug Module, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it, or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Let's look at a key safety rule that will keep your PC protected while we address this error. Most individual downloads of TBB Debug Module DLL lack a valid digital signature, meaning they have not been verified for authenticity or safety by the original software developer. As an alternative to frequent manual checks, a secure maintenance utility can help keep your system environment on track. If system alerts or resource lag are present, the resource below outlines maintenance considerations related to TBB Debug Module. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide saved TBB Debug Module workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.